Wow, wow, wow. Can't get enough of this soup. Today we are making the most delicious vegetable soup ever. So begin, I will be adding some red oil inside a cooking pan. Over here I have dry chicken. Next I have meat. Next I'll be adding is crayfish. Over here I have ogiri. I'll just add that, then give that stir together. I will cover that to get fried for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, it has fried so nice. I give that a beautiful stir. Adding some pepper mix. Over here I have hot pepper and onions blend together. We'll be adding some Maggi seasoning. Over here I have Maggi cube and chicken spices. Very good stir. So now we'll just cover for 2 minutes to simmer. 2 minutes of cooking has fried so nice. Look at that. It was nice, guys. At this point I will be adding the leaf. Over here I have green leaf, guys, so it's the green leaf I'm using. So this is the vegetable, guys. This has been washed with clean water and I slice it the same way. So after adding this batch, I'll first of all cover, because my vegetable, guys, a lot of veggies is going to come in here, so that in the area you now enjoy the vegetable. So now I'll be adding some salt on top of it. All I do now is to cover the vegetable for 5 minutes to get cooked. I just cover that. So guys, 5 minutes later, look at that. I'll be adding some dry fish. It was cooking so nice. Let's go do it, guys. It's going to be water. All right, let's add in the next batch. So now we are adding the second batch of vegetable, guys. As I told you guys earlier, it's vegetable soup and you have to have a lot of it for you to enjoy it. Add it, add it, add it. Don't be staging adding vegetable. Don't be staging. Now we'll be adding the small salt, guys. So just be adding your salt like this, so that the vegetable can get taste enough. So I cover that again to get another cook for 5 minutes. So guys, 5 minutes later, look at that. Second batch has cooked so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm loving this already. So guys, we never finished. So now I'll be adding some palak, another vegetable, guys. You can see that. We added some red oil again. So red oil, everything comes from Odogun Food, guys. It's a platform where you can get everything you need to make your food. So rush down to Odogun Food and get your order. Now Christmas you want to do, you need to eat like Odogun. So rush down to Odogun shop and buy everything you need to make your food. She delivers worldwide. So now I'm going to cover that to get final cook. Cook, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Legudofi. Legudofi, guys. Oh my gosh. We are going to turn off the heat. It has cooked so nice. Wow, 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 wow. Look at soup now. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This soup is giving, guys. Oh my gosh. So guys, permit me to enjoy this soup with better ata. This is what we eat over here. We eat ata over here. You can also enjoy this with ata. And this is going down with ata. I'm going to enjoy this with ata, guys. This soup is giving. Oh my gosh. Wow. Get this for yourself. You're going to love this recipe when you follow this process. Try to share. I love you in my next one. Bye bye.